Birds aren't real is a satirical conspiracy theory which posits that birds are actually drones operated by the United States government to spy on American citizens. In 2018, journalist Rachel Roberts described birds aren't real as a joke that thousands of people are in on. Peter McIndoe created the satirical conspiracy on a whim in Memphis, Tennessee, in January 2017. In 2017 he posted on Facebook, "I made a satirical movement a few months ago, and people on Instagram seemed to like it a lot." However, he later disclaimed the post, saying it was written by a staffer who was fired and did not admit until 2021 that he did not truly believe the conspiracy. The movement first attracted attention during the 2017 Women's March at the University of Arkansas, at which McIndoe and other supporters appeared carrying anti-bird signs. The movement argues that all birds in the United States were exterminated by the government between 1959 and 1971 and replaced by drones. They claim that birds sit on power lines to recharge themselves and that bird poop on cars is a tracking method. Some supporters have demonstrated with signs stating birds aren't real and related slogans. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.